We're going to take a quick look at this Smith Corona Corsair portable typewriter. You can see it does type. And it is in good cosmetic condition. It functions fine. I do have a few little discrepancies to show y'all. It does have preset tabs. See on the red lines right there. Every time I hit tab, one discrepancy to note here is this little switch right here. I think that's single or double space. I can't get it to stay in position. So I think it's locked on double spacing. Another thing that I noticed that I think is not quite correct has this paper support back here. I don't know how to make that stay up. Otherwise, great condition. I didn't see anything else wrong with it at all. This little cover comes up. That's where your ribbon lives. It does come with the case. This hooks in. It's an interesting design because the typewriter is actually the typewriter and the bottom of the case, it's actually like integrated, as you can see here. It's not separate units. But nice little typewriter, save for those few discrepancies I mentioned. Thanks for watching.